we're all very familiar with the Colonial Pipeline attack. I encourage everyone to go out. I've said this before. Go out and read the Microsoft basically report where they dove deep into the exact attack vectors and how they basically it was a series of steps that first started with a phish. That phish, just an abridged version, led to basically account compromise, client VPN access, and then voila, basically first stole the data and then encrypted that data. That led to obviously Bitcoin transfers, and then in order to unlock the network. So we've seen this across, again, n number of attacks, and perhaps the latest big headline was Kia Motors. I don't know if everyone's familiar with this one, but it was actually a $20 million Bitcoin ransomware attack. Again, very similar, where it was a phishing that led to an account takeover and compromise and then lay-in of the ransomware. So very, very typical. These headlines are only going to continue to grow as everyone's really unprotected. And the reason for that is Jeff was highlighting, if you really think about what's your weakest link in security, we've done a really damn good job of protecting the cloud now. We've done a very good job protecting the data center, vulnerability, patch management, basically what I would characterize as machine security. But we still come back to that human element. We're all infallible. We all get distracted, as was highlighting. And that distraction factor, particularly when you're adding in all these different channels of communication, really is elevated now to the point where you have corporations out there as ransomware as a service.